Valentine's Day celebration. Today, we are here to celebrate love, togetherness, and to have some enjoyment. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And I hope and I'm sure that all the beautiful ladies will be showered with gifts, diamonds, roses, chocolates, and what not.
इनके पति नहीं है इनके पास बैठे हुए इसलिए
पति बोलेंगे
हाँ
पत्नी है
ये अकेले बैठे हैं
ये विश रियलिटी नहीं है। शिखा हस्बैंड लोगों को प्रेशर दे रही है। शिखा
देखो
शिखा कल झगड़े कराएंगे वैलेंटाइंस डे पे। कल सबके घर में झगड़े होंगे। सही
The couple game will be having 3 rounds. First round is called How well do you know your partner? Okay, this is the first game.
कैसे दिखाना इधर से? हाँ ऐसे like this only.
तुम्हारा देखने के बाद मैं अपना सोचूं।
Start. Who is more emotional? Who is more emotional? Oh, +10.
Perfect.
Perfect. Team 1 +10. Who is more honest? Perfect. +10 again.
पेपर लिखो
Okay, last question. Who is the impulsive shopper?
Easy.
+30.
Well done team.
Well done. Let's move to team 2. So team 1
अरे
gets
टीम 3 आ जाओ जल्दी।
Team 1 gets 30 points. Let's move to team 2.
Please keep yourself on mute except team 2.
Anu and Anushri.
Team 2
Anu and Anushri.
mute yourself.
Okay, are you ready? Perfect.
Wait, let them
Don't
unmute.
see
Let them
on the
unmute.
screen. Don't see on the screen. चलो अनु उधर घूम जाओ. Okay, first question. Who is more funny?
अरुण थोड़ा आगे आपका दिख नहीं रहा।
Okay, him. Perfect. +10.
Correct.
Next question. Who is better driver? Perfect.
Oh.
+10. Okay, third question. Tricky one. Who is the messy one? Messy.
अभी सच आंसर बताओ। म्यूट पर हो आप। म्यूट से हटाइए।
मुझे मालूम है आंसर क्या है मैंने गलत दिया
देखो वो एडमिट कर रहे हैं अनु। I know. So you were right.
Yes, so they get 20 points. 20 points because
That's perfect. Well done, team 2.
one answer was not matching. Perfect. So team 2 gets 20 points. Let's move to team 3.
Team 3 or team 4?
Keep कर दो
Deepa, are you ready? Or we should start with team 4?
Yes, I think we have to start with team 4.
Okay, team 4, Arpita and Dipanshu.
I will sit like this.
Okay, perfect. I have your chart, yes. Okay. You haven't to see on the screen, Arpita, just, yeah.
Yes.
Don't see on the screen.
Yes, sideways. Yes.
Your question. Who is more patient? Perfect, him.
Wow,
10 points.
+10.
Perfect. Again, the same question. Who is the messy one?
Okay, Arpita, your answer.
Come on, ma. Okay.
Again 10 points.
10 points. Okay. Third question. Who does more drama? Perfect. +30. Wow. Lovely.
You have a good compatibility, I must
Yes.
say.
Everyone is having good compatibility.
Quite easy questions.
Perfect. So you get 30 points. Team 4.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Let's move to team 5.
Team 5, yes.
Yes.
5.
Yes.
Okay, Mishika and Love, your questions are.
Are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
When you first met, who made first move?
Who made first move when you
Who
first
made
met?
first move?
Little bit above.
Perfect.
Little upwards. Yeah.
Okay.
Plus 10.
Yes, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, second question. Who has been in more car accidents? Who has been in more car accidents?
Think from past, like when you were young,
Yeah, driving or
driving or being sitting in the car. Mishika, you have to move it more right. We can't
Okay,
see.
him.
Right.
okay, him. Both are him. So
Okay,
10 points.
perfect.
Perfect.
Well done.
I'm only driving, so it's normal.
Okay.
I
Third
am very
question.
careful driver.
Third question. Who is smarter? Okay, perfect. Plus 10. So you get 30 points. So
Very nice.
5, you get 30 points.
Very nice.
Okay.
Lovely. Well done.
Yeah, everyone is doing very well.
They
Thank
are
you.
all compatible. They know what to answer.
Okay.
Now
Team 6.
is
Babita and Sharad.
wait.
આપણે બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન
Right.
ખતરનાક હતો પેલી કે પાસ નું
Okay, but
Yes,
can we have a spotlight
wait.
on Babita and Sharad?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Yes.
Sharad, you have to see sideways, not on the screen.
Yeah, they are showing. Okay. Your questions. Who is better looking? Wow. 10
Well
points.
done.
Second
To be on
question.
safer side.
Safe answer.
Who is first to say I am sorry? Who is first to say I am sorry?
Sharad, we can't see.
Oh, perfect. Both are him.
Well done.
Okay, so 20 points. Next, last question. Who is good with children? Who is good with children? Perfect, 30 points. So both of you get 30 points. So
Well
team-
done, Babita.
30
Sharad,
points.
team.
Okay, thank you.
Very
Okay,
nice.
that's nice. Let's move to team 7. We have SP and kids.
Wait.
Can we have team 7?
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Yeah. Perfect. So everybody is scoring good, like full marks.
Just a minute.
Yeah. SP ages.
చూడకూడదు స్క్రీన్ చూడ Don't see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, SP. Are you ready with your this? Yeah. Mom and kids. Perfect. First question to you, team 7. Who falls asleep first watching TV? Who falls asleep first watching TV? Mom? Okay. 10 points. Perfect. Who eats the most junk food? Who eats kids? Perfect. 10 points. And who is funniest? Okay, perfect. Oh, you also so perfect.
Very
30.
nice.
We also know all the answers.
7. Well done.
Very good. Let's move to team 8. Sandeepa and Sanjay.
Wait. My cursor is stuck. I have to see whether I
Wait,
can.
I'll do it then.
Yeah.
Aren't you pushing me too much?
Okay. अभी शुरू
All
हुआ
the
है।
best, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
संदीपा
Okay.
गलत आंसर है तो कोई फर्क नहीं.
Your questions are: Who is better listener? Who is better listener? Perfect.
Wow.
Very good, Sanjay. Next. Who remembers everything? Who remembers? Oh. Okay, so no, it's one is him, one is her. So no point for that. Who does more drama? Har. Okay. So you scored 20 points.
Very nice. कल मार पिटने वाली है.
पिट गई.
Sir, you are very lucky.
Chalo, that's nice. So team 8, you score 20 points. Okay. So let's move to team 9. We have Vidisha and Sayuri.
Yes.
Mother
I'm excited, Sayuri, to play this.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Are you ready?
Vidisha, just sit sideways.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Our chairs are very fat. We are not fat. Our chairs are fat.
Okay. We understand.
We understand that.
Do that.
So your team 9, your question.
Hmm.
Who has more friends? Mom or daughter? Who has more friends? Mama. Okay, perfect. Plus 10. Who is an animal lover? Who loves animal? More.
Child. Okay.
Perfect. And who is more stylish? Mom or daughter?
Definitely.
Mama. Okay, perfect. So you also score perfect 30.
Well
Very
done,
good.
Mom and
Very
very nice.
Lovely. So team 9, you score 30 points. Well done. Now let's move to team 10. Team 10? Yes. Team 10, I'll put on.
Team 10, are you ready? Who is Team 10?
Nidhi
and
Mukesh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I have to wait. I have to replace this remote spotlight. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Nidhi and Mukesh. Ready.
Okay, so your questions are, come on. Who sleeps more? Perfect. Perfect 10. Okay. Who behaves like baby when sick? Who behaves like baby when sick? Oh, you are so honest.
Both of us.
ज़्यादा ही honest हो गए.
So that was 0 point.
Yeah, 0 point for that. Who is more adventurous? Perfect.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Very good. So you scored 20 points.
Perfect.
Not
Well
bad.
done.
Very good.
Team
So-
10. Well done.
Okay, perfect. Then now move to team 3. Are you ready now? Okay. So let's
Team 3,
three.
where is your partner?
वो ढूंढने जा रही है पार्टनर को.
Oh. Players are well in position.
So waiting for team
The
3.
partner only.
Okay, team.
Rest is okay.
Welcome, Kondia.
Yes. Welcome.
Welcome, Kondia.
Thank you, everyone.
Deepa, you're on mute. Yes.
हाँ ठीक है.
Chalo. Your questions.
हाँ
This is
इधर
team 3. This is team 3.
Okay.
अरे
First
easy easy
question.
पूछो.
First question. When you first met, who made the first move?
वो बोला तो physical. Walking. नहीं मुंह बोला तो क्या? Like
तू ही बोल सकती है.
कुछ भी everything. क्या? मैं ही हूँ. और कौन होगा?
Why are you shouting?
Deepa, we can't see anything. Have you written anything?
Correct.
Have you written
Okay,
anything, Deepa?
हाँ हर.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay, her. Yeah, you have to show like this. And what
Yes.
about Kondia?
Konde show.
Yes, her.
हाँ.
Oh, perfect. Plus 10.
Okay.
Yes, then. Okay.
Next question. Who is more creative?
Okay. And
Perfect,
oh, again
Kondia.
plus 10.
20. Very good. Who is better cook? Oh, Kondia, very good.
Very nice.
Show the other side. Show the other side of the paper. Maybe him is not there at all.
ठीक है.
Okay.
That was a good point.
I thought both sides are her then. Yeah.
कैसे निकाल रहे?
Deepa must have told him to write her.
2-4 क्वेश्चन और पूछो इनको.
कितने मार्क्स आया?
30 points आया.
अरे वाह, पास हो गए.
Deepa, I will call you for your first question. तूने जो पूछा ना.
यार मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. मैं वॉकिंग है वो क्लैरिटी.
इसका मतलब वो नहीं था. अभी
वो
इसने वो भी
नहीं था.
क्लियर कर दिया कि वो मतलब नहीं था
वो
इसका.
नहीं था,
वो वाला मतलब नहीं था.
We will
अरे अगर फेल हुआ तो मैंने सोचा और एक शादी कर लूं. पास हो गए ना अभी. 30 out of 30 आ गया.
The name of this round is the price right? Okay. Now the rules. This is a message round. So we have a Coca-Cola bottle that is 1.5 liters. Second is Nutella, that is 400 grams. And next we have Lay's Natural, 175 grams. And again the deviation that we are looking is plus minus 75 cents. That is again 0.75 euros. And your time starts now.
Team 2, send it to me too, please.
Yeah, send it to only me too. Okay. Come on, fast. Everyone done? And your time is over now. Okay. So any idea what is the price range that? No idea. Okay. So the total price of these three products is 5.97, €5.97. And the range that we are looking for is €5.22 to €6.72. Okay, 5.22 to 6.72. So
ग्रेस मार्क है?
क्या?
No grace
grace.
mark.
थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो गया.
ये टीम 2 का आंसर 6.25 कैसे एकदम एग्जैक्ट?
वो आज ही खरीद के लाए थे सवेरे 3 आइटम.
Okay, we have the.
हमारे बच्चे वही खाते हैं.
यही team.
Okay, me too.
3 teams have given the right answer. Team
Yeah.
2, Team 2, Team 5,
Yeah.
and Team 9.
Okay. So team perfect.
So
So
you
team-
send me to
Very
team
nice.
2.
Team 5 and Team 9 gets 10 points. Team 2, Team 5 and Team 9.
Look, Netherlands, you know the rates, you know the price.
Yeah, still haven't
Okay.
taken
Message
Belgium
to
also.
also. Disha, now I can see how much do you check your rate list.
Now you see how
You
much
told
I
me
do
never
shopping
check
online.
actually.
How much do I do shopping online?
Actually पता चल रहा है कि दिशा बहुत अल्बर्टाइन जा रही है.
कल yesterday only ना. कल ही
वही ना
जाके-
पता चला है मुझे, लग रहा है देख के.
Look.
Okay. So let's do the next slide. So right now Team 2, Team 5 and Team 9 score 10 points for this slide. So this is the last slide. Okay. So let's move to the next round. And I'll again share my screen. So and get your buzzers ready for this round. Okay, so this round is called Ready to Sing a Song. Valentine's Day without Bollywood songs is not over. First one. Come on, okay. We have
Okay. Team 1, Team 1.
Team 1.
इश्क हुआ कैसे हुआ जो भी हुआ
अच्छा हुआ. ना मैं जानू ना तू जाने, हो गए हम दीवाने. इश्क हुआ.
Perfect.
Very well done.
Very good. So you get 10 points. Next.
Team 1, Team 1. Again.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है,
प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल.
Very nice.
Very good. Again 10 points to team.
Perfect. Other teams, you have to be more active.
Come on, you have to press it fast, okay?
Sorry, we don't know 3-4 lines of Hindi song. That's the
It's
problem.
okay, just try it.
वो माइनस पॉइंट भी तो है.
माइनस हो जाएगा.
I can nominate Gayatri. I can recognize a song and nominate Gayatri to sing.
Okay, next slide. Third slide.
Oh, team 1.
Team 1.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद चलने लगा आसमां ये क्यों यूं मचलने लगा ठहरी रही जमीन चलने लगी.
Very good.
Well done.
Oh, fantastic.
Well done.
So team 1 again 10 points.
Come on, other
All
teams.
other teams.
टीम 1 जीते तो हम भी जीते.
Very good.
You're supporting team 1 on behalf of us.
Supporting, come on team 1.
Team 9. Team 9. Yes, team 9.
This is Netherlands, so I have to sing.
Yes.
देखा एक ख्वाब का ये सिलसिले हुए.
Very good.
I have to get a bonus because Sayuri does not know this song.
No, I don't know anything. I don't know any songs of Bollywood.
Sing,
Trust me.
continue
I don't watch
singing.
them.
Yes,
Come on,
you are
Vidisha.
singing good. Come on.
Babita, help me. देखा एक ख्वाब
अब
का.
तो ये सिलसिले हुए.
Then what?
दिल तक निगाहों में है गुल खिले हुए.
I think that is okay. No.
Na 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 na
Four lines,
na.
four lines.
ना lyrics नहीं बोल.
4 lines, 4 lines.
ना 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 ना
I don't-
फासले हुए.
देखा एक
Anyone who can sing? Okay, fine.
ये
But
गाना पूरा गाना है क्या? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना.
4 lines बोला ना. 6.
4 lines.
4 lines. I
3 to 4 lines.
Hey, Radu, Deepa.
Yes, you have to sing the Mukla. Well attempted. Well attempted, team 9. But I'm sorry, you do not get points for it.
no problem.
Well done.
No,
But yes,
you're not getting minus, right?
anyone who can sing the song, this song, anybody, anyone?
No, you won't get minus.
Gayatri.
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए. दूर तक निगाहों में गुल खिले हुए.
ये गिला है आपकी निगाहों के
फासले हुए.
देखा एक ख्वाब
तो एक सिलसिले हुए.
Very nice. Well done.
एक मार्क तो दे दो.
दे दो.
किसको देना है?
जो आपने तोड़ा है, गाया ना.
Me too. Give half. Give actually 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. The Babita 1/3, I 1/3, and Deepa 1/3.
Okay, so sorry, Vidisha, you will not get any points for that, and it will be -10 because you have pressed the buzzer and you haven't sang the song. So
-10 for team 9.
yes.
Oh, okay.
एक तेलुगु भी गाना डालो यार. मेरा हस्बैंड गाएगा.
अगली बार.
Telugu, we want Telugu.
Yes, please.
After this, he can sing. No problem.
Okay. Now the last slide. Okay.
But we did not pass on to.
गाओ.
Yes, team 1. Team 1.
सरकाए लो खटिया जाड़ा लगे सरकाए लो खटिया जाड़ा लगे जाड़े में बलमा प्यारा लगे सरकाए लो खटिया जाड़ा लगे.
Ravina Tandon बोला था मुझे. I know the song.
सारे गाने वही है.
Wow, perfect.
सारा तुम भी खेल गए हो.
Team 1 again 10 points.
So, do you know what is the family fortune game? Now, can we have the question, please?
Yes.
Name a gift that you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like.
Yes. Got it. It's team B, B1.
B1. Yes, your answer, please.
Flowers.
Flowers. Okay. Can we check whether flowers is on the board or not? Perfect. Well done, B1. But this is not the top answer. So we will move to A1. A1, what's your answer? And the question is, can we see the question? Name a gift that you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like. No. You have to just answer.
Okay.
Wine.
Anything.
No, come on.
Wine.
Okay, let us see whether this is on the list or not. I'm sorry, wine is not on the list. As I said, you might be right, but this is not one of the top answers. So clearly B1 is going to play now. So team B is going to play. So next turn will be given to B2. B2, are you ready? Now you don't have to buzz. You have to just give the answer. B2, are you ready? Please say yes.
B2.
Yes.
Okay. So the question is same. We will show it once again. Name a gift that you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like.
Chocolates.
Chocolates. Okay, let's see whether chocolates is in the list or not. Perfect. Candy or chocolates?
Perfect.
Well done. You get 3 more points. Now let's move to B3. B3, are you ready? B3?
Mute kar
SP.
Shivpriya said that.
B3, are you ready?
Gift card.
Okay, let's see whether gift card is on the list or not. Wow, well done. This is the top answer. Well done, B3. So team B gets 47 more points. And now we move to B4.
Sandeep,
are you ready?
Sandeepa and Sanjay.
Okay. Name a gift that you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like. Anything which has not been done in the list. And your timer starts now. Anything which you think.
Sweets.
Sorry?
Sweets.
Sweets have already been done.
Candy and chocolate, yeah.
I'm sorry. Your turn is over. Now we move to B5. B5.
Nidhi, Mukesh.
Nidhi and Mukesh.
Name a gift which you can pick up at the last moment for someone you like.
Cakes.
Sorry?
Cakes.
Cakes. Okay, let us check whether the cakes is on the list or not. I'm sorry, cakes is not on the list. Now we move again to B1. B1. Name a gift which you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like.
मीतू तुमने फंसा दिया।
अभी तीसरा गलत हुआ तो पॉइंट उधर चले जाएंगे, है ना?
अगर
last.
But you have 3 points, 3 times.
Your time has started. In B1.
Books.
Come on. This is the twist to the game.
Book. That's the only thing that I can.
Stop the timer. Let's see whether book is in the list or not.
अरे छागे गुरु.
Well done. You are saved for this question. But let's move to B2 now.
Nishika.
Only one answer is left. Let's see B2 is able to answer or not. And your question is, name a gift which you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like. B2.
And your timer starts now.
Anything.
And it has to be correct.
Yes, come on. You have to save your team. Come on.
Come on, Mishika.
Furry boy.
Homemade food.
I'm sorry, the time is over. So, according to the rules, now the same question will move to team A. And I'm going to ask A2. A2, Can you and the question is, can we show the question, please?
Yes, Arpita and Dipanshu, you have to answer.
Name a gift that you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like. Arpita and Dipanshu.
And your time starts now.
A2.
Perfume.
Perfume. Okay, can we stop the timer and check whether this is on the list or not? I'm sorry, this is not on the list. So that means Team B gets all the points. Well done, Team B. You get how many points?
75.
75 points. Well done, Team B. And you want to see the second answer? What was it? Can we have
Dress.
Yes, please.
Dress, shirt, dress.
Cash. Cash was the common answer.
Rohan said that.
Which you can pick up at the last minute for someone you like. Okay, well done. Well attended. So let's go back to the scores. Can we have the scores, please?
Yes.
Okay, so Team A is at 0 points and Team B has already gone to 75. Okay. So again, we need 5 answers to this question. This is the last question and the last round. And A5 and B5, please be ready. And the question is, okay. Okay, what will be your first reaction after someone slips?
Yeah, it's B5. B5.
What will be your first reaction after someone slips?
Help. You help them.
Scream.
You help them.
Help them. Help them.
Help them. Okay, let's see whether this is on the... Wow, this is the top answer. Well done. So that was B5. So the game will be continued by Team B. Now I move to B1. And the same question for you. What will be your first reaction after someone slips or fall down?
Give some reaction like laugh or
Scream.
Okay, let's see whether laugh.
बंदी गिरी तो laugh, बंदा गिरा तो scream.
बिल्कुल बहुत लोग हैं
But you have to choose one, so we took laugh as your answer. Okay, very well done. Lovely. Now it will go to B2. B2, the same question. What will be your first reaction after someone slips? B2. Anything. What will you do if someone slips? What will be your reaction? Come on, your timer is running.
Take care of,
Stop the timer, please. Stop the timer.
take care of him to ask him is hurts or not or something.
Okay. Yes, because they said within the time. So let's check whether they said that they can offer some first aid or not, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Very nice. It is in the list. Now we move to B3. Shikha, can you undo the cross because they have given right?
Yeah, I understand. I will do.
Yeah. Now we move to B3. B3, same question. What will be your first reaction after someone slips or fall down?
You'll be worried. Run. You'll be worried. Run towards them. You'll be worried. You'll be worried. Run towards them. You'll be worried.
Okay, stop the timer, please.
Run towards them.
Run towards them. Okay, let's see whether this is on the...
run towards them is like help, hold.
Yes. I'm sorry, this is done. So they get 1 cross. Yeah. Okay, now we move to team B4. B4, same question. What will be your first reaction after someone slips or fall down? Starts now.
Shout or scold?
Shout. Okay, let's see whether this is on the list or not. Well done. B4, well done. You again get 4 more points. Now we move to B5. B5, the same question. What will be your first reaction after someone slips? If you answer this, you get the points. Otherwise, you have 2 more chances. Yes.
Call a family or friend if they need help.
Help is done. Offer first aid. This is done. I'm sorry. Second cross. Okay. Now I move to B1 again.
యారో పెరగడం ఉంటదా
What will be your first reaction
ఇద్దరు
when
అలాగే ఉన్నాయి బాబా
someone slips?
Call doctor, medical
That is
facility.
done. Offer first aid. I'm sorry, the third cross.
Now team A.
Yes, so all three crosses are done. So question goes to A1. A1, you have the same question. What will be your first reaction after someone slips or falls down? A1. And your timer starts now.
We'll ask if he needs any additional help or he is okay or not.
It's done. This is done. I'm sorry. And so the winner is Team B for this round. Congratulations. Let's go back to the scores and clearly we
What is the answer? What is the answer for
yes,
five?
you have to see the last answer. And the last answer is take a picture. Yes. This is weird, but people do it. They take a picture nowadays. This is a very common sight. And Team B wins. Congratulations. Very well done. And Team A, well attempted.
Congratulations.
Hope you enjoyed this game. And congratulations again, Team B. And all the winners of Team B, B1, B2, B3, B4, and B5. You win 15 euros voucher from Spice Rack New Delhi Trader. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, best wishes for everything.
Thank you, Planet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank
Thank you for organizing.
Thank you.
Thank you for
organizing. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Alicia. Bye. Pleasure to have you.